You're sitting on a mountain of brilliant research and hard-won insights, yet you can't seem to find a single usable thread. So you turn to a standard AI, desperate for it to make sense of the noise, and it hands you back a hallucination that sounds authoritative but means absolutely nothing. You realize that generic tools are just guessing at your expertise, leaving you exactly where you started, buried. Your knowledge is your greatest asset, but it remains trapped and powerless behind an unorganized digital wall. You need a way to transform this chaotic hoard into a scalable reality before your energy finally gives out. To escape the mess, you have to stop hoarding information and start architecting a system. Imagine a closed knowledge loop, a secure digital vault that answers only to your curated sources. You deliberately select only the most high-signal material, feeding the engine exactly what it needs to learn your voice. This is the anti-dump rule in action, where the system rejects hallucinations to build a second brain you can actually trust. From this foundation, the Curate, Learn, Act framework begins to accelerate your entire creative workflow. Raw research suddenly organizes itself into structured masterclass outlines and visual infographics that look professional in seconds. The engine even generates deep dive audio discussions, debating the nuances of your own unique philosophy. You are no longer struggling to keep up. You are orchestrating the scale of your intelligence. Instead of digging through messy folders, you now have a private teammate that understands your entire curriculum. It drafts study guides, scripts your videos, and refines your lessons while staying perfectly on brand. You reclaim hours of lost time, allowing the system to run the operations while you focus on the vision. You've seen the magic of the output, but the map to build it remains locked away. You have the expertise. Now you need the blueprint. Step into the Intelligence Architect, mastering NotebookLM to scale your vision. Join us for a live demonstration where we reveal the exact clicks and prompt secrets behind the closed-loop system. Claim your seat today and move from information hoarding to intelligent action.